Hi everyone, I just realized I'm like far along on my build. I had to go backwards in time. I just realized that we never cut the hole in the back bearing cover for the bearing. So we need to do that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over so I can see this other side. I'm going to hide everything but the back bearing cover. And then I'm going to create a sketch on this back side here. Zoom me out to the middle, so I'm going to go find it again here. And now I'm going to create a circle right in the middle here. That's 22.3. That's that bearing diameter. Hit enter. I'm going to extrude right away. And I'm going to extrude in a depth of 3.4 millimeters. It's coming out towards me. I don't want that. I want to cut. So I'm going to put a negative in front of 3.4 and cut in and click OK. All right. That looks like that is, yep. That's done. Sorry about that little mistake. Have a great day, everyone.